All right, welcome to this first demo. We're going to take a look at how you create and upload members in your partner CPRM ecosystem, part of the first setup process when you first get started. So when you log in, you'll see this first home welcome screen. And you can click over onto the left, right where it says members to open up your member library. Now, at first, your library won't have any records to show. And so the first thing we're going to want to do is add some new members. Now, if you do want to include some unique attributes with these members, things like their population served, some of the resources they have, any random traits or records that you want to associate with them, you should create those custom attributes first over here in the attributes library. And you can do that by clicking add and choosing an option there. We have a whole video tutorial just on creating attributes, but just remember that if you try to upload a list of members with an attribute that hasn't already been created within Partner, you will get an error message. So you want to do that first. Today, we're going to be focusing on creating members from a file. And this is the best option for getting data from a CRM or just from a spreadsheet and getting that into the platform in bulk. And it's a lot faster than doing it individually. If you click the button here, you'll have the option to download a member template. And that's definitely what we recommend doing rather than trying to format the whole spreadsheet on your own. It's just a much higher chance of, errors. So you can hit download and that will, be downloaded onto your browser. I have an example here of what this will look like. This is just uploaded into Google Sheets, but you can also use Excel or another tool. So we can fill this in here, all of the main attributes. You don't have to fill these in if you don't want to. If you don't, for example, have physical address info or phone numbers or websites, you don't have to. You can leave it blank. Just make sure that you don't delete any columns or move around the columns because this may cause an error message, in the platform. So this is just some made up sort of sample data here. But this is what the spreadsheet might look like when you've got it completely filled in here. So once we have double checked to make sure it's all correctly laid out, we can export this as a CSV file, and that's important. And then we can return back to our ecosystem and click add and then members from file again. And this time we can select our specific member file to upload. And once you do that, you'll just have a quick confirmation page showing you what your members look like, and you'll be all set. Now, if you do experience any errors during the member upload process, you can go ahead and visit our support center here in the help tab. And this is going to provide some helpful resources, especially if you head to the troubleshooting section here. We actually have under the member section, member library troubleshooting, we have a whole resource here just on troubleshooting errors. So if you do experience an issue while you're uploading, this is the best place to go. And you can usually identify what has gone wrong. If that doesn't answer your question, you can always get in touch with our team through our chat. Or by submitting a new ticket here. You can also email us at support@visiblenetworklabs.com.